Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to animate a photo on your Facebook story. This is a unique feature which I've not seen on any other social media platform, and it will really bring your Facebook stories more attention. This feature basically animates your Facebook story so it stands out from the rest. So let me show you how to do it. Open your Facebook app. Now tap on Create Story. Here, select a photo from your library or take a photo using a camera. This feature does not work on videos. In this example, I'll select a photo from the photo library. You'll then come to this Facebook Stories editing screen. Tap on See More at the top right. Then tap on Animate. Down below, you'll see more controls appear. Browse through the different animation available. You have bounce, pan, zoom in, and zoom out. Once you're happy with the effect, then tap on the photo to select it. Now you can customize it more by adding text, stickers, drawings, and effects, and then share your story to Facebook. And that is how to animate photos on your Facebook stories. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.